Nestled at the heart of Europe, where Switzerland embraces France and Germany, lies Basel. This captivating city is a delightful fusion of medieval charm and modern elegance. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets lined with centuries-old buildings, then turning a corner to find yourself face-to-face with a cutting-edge architectural masterpiece. This is Basel, a city where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Basel is a feast for the senses. Whether you're drawn to history, art, or simply the joy of exploring new cultures, Basel has something to offer everyone. It's a city that invites you to wander, discover, and lose yourself in its unique ambiance. Prepare to be captivated by Basel's beauty, from its picturesque Old Town to the vibrant energy of its modern districts. This is a city that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. Basel's history stretches back to Roman times, and the city has been shaped by centuries of cultural exchange. The Romans recognized Basel's strategic location at the crossroads of trade routes. They established a settlement here, laying the foundation for the city's future prosperity. Over the centuries, Basel flourished as a center of trade and commerce. It became a free imperial city within the Holy Roman Empire. This independence fostered a spirit of innovation and creativity. Today, Basel seamlessly blends its rich history with a modern cosmopolitan outlook. The city is home to a thriving pharmaceutical and chemical industry. It also boasts an impressive collection of world-class museums and art institutions. As you explore Basel, you'll encounter architectural gems from various periods. Roman ruins whisper tales of the past, medieval cathedrals soar towards the heavens, and contemporary buildings showcase innovative designs. Basel is a testament to the enduring power of history and its ability to inspire and shape the present. No visit to Basel is complete without a leisurely stroll through its enchanting Old Town, known as Altstadt. This historic district, located on the Rhine's bend, transports you back in time. Narrow cobblestone streets wind their way past well-preserved medieval buildings. Their colorful facades and ornate details tell stories of the city's past. Take your time to explore the hidden alleyways and courtyards, each with its own unique charm. The heart of Basel's Old Town is undoubtedly the Marktplatz, the bustling market square. Here you'll find a vibrant mix of stalls selling fresh produce, local delicacies, and handcrafted souvenirs. Be sure to sample some Swiss chocolate, a true delight for the senses. The Basel Minster, with its distinctive red sandstone towers, dominates the skyline. This architectural masterpiece, built between the 11th and 16th centuries, is a symbol of Basel's enduring spirit. Climb to the top of the South Tower for breathtaking views over the city and the Rhine River. Section 4, a canvas of masterpieces, Basel's art scene. Basel is often hailed as Switzerland's art capital, and for good reason. The city boasts an exceptional collection of world-renowned museums. These institutions showcase everything from ancient artifacts to cutting-edge contemporary art. The Kunstmuseum Basel, one of the oldest and most important art museums in the world, houses an impressive collection of paintings and sculptures spanning 7 centuries. Here you can admire masterpieces by renowned artists such as Holbein, Picasso, and Van Gogh. Basel is also home to numerous smaller galleries and art spaces showcasing the works of emerging and established artists. The city truly comes alive during Art Basel, one of the world's most prestigious art fairs. Every June, collectors, curators, and art enthusiasts from around the globe descend upon Basel to witness the latest trends in the art world. Whether you're a seasoned art aficionado or simply appreciate creativity, Basel's vibrant art scene is sure to leave a lasting impression. Section 5. The rhythmic flow of the Rhine. The Rhine River is the lifeblood of Basel, shaping its landscape and way of life. This majestic river has been a vital trade route. It's also a source of inspiration for artists and poets. Take a leisurely stroll along the banks, enjoy the picturesque views of the city's skyline. Numerous bridges connect the two sides of Basel. During summer, the Rhine becomes a hub of activity. Take a refreshing dip in designated swimming areas. For a unique experience, try swimming with the current. As the sun sets, savor the magical ambiance. Section 6, Basel, After Dark, a city that never sleeps. As the sun sets, Basel undergoes a magical transformation. The city comes alive with vibrant energy, both exhilarating and inviting. Basel's nightlife is diverse, catering to every taste. From sophisticated cocktail bars to lively pubs and underground clubs, Basel offers something for everyone. For local life, head to Klein Basel on the Rhine's right bank. Trendy bars and pubs abound here, each with unique atmospheres. Basel's nightlife blends tradition and modernity, reflecting its dynamic spirit.